Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for online courses. Using ChatGPT for online courses can enhance the learning experience and provide personalized support to students. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use ChatGPT for online courses. First is integration and setup. Choose a platform or framework to implement ChatGPT within your online course. This could be a web-based interface or a dedicated learning management system. Set up the backend infrastructure to handle API communication with the ChatGPT model. Configure user authentication and access control to ensure that only enrolled students can interact with ChatGPT. Next is design the user interface and course material integration. Design a user-friendly interface that allows students to interact with ChatGPT. Integrate the course material such as lecture notes, slides, and additional resources into the interface. Ensure that interface provides a seamless experience for students to access course material and ask questions. Third is capture user input and handle conversations. Capture user input such as questions or requests for clarifications within the user interface. Send the user outputs into the chat for student and ChatGPT, preserving context and providing a coherent conversation experience. Fourth is generate responses and provide course assistance. Process the user input on the backend using ChatGPT model to generate responses. Augment the responses with relevant information from the course material to support the answers and provide additional references or resources. Ensure that the responses are clear, accurate, and tailored to the specific queries or requests of the students. Test, gather feedback, and iterate. Thoroughly test ChatGPT integration within your online course, simulating various scenarios and user interactions. Gather feedback from students and instructors to assess the effectiveness of ChatGPT and identify areas for improvement. Iterate on the implementation based on the feedback received, refining the responses, optimizing the user interface, and enhancing the overall user experience. By following these steps, you can effectively utilize ChatGPT in your online courses to provide personalized assistance, support student learning, and enhance the overall educational experience. So that's it. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like our channel. Thanks!